Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I do hope you consider subscribing. If you'd like to share, that would be awesome too. And if you have any questions or you want to leave a comment, please feel free to leave them down below. I've started out with my usual Model 1's base gel, just to make sure that the anything that you apply on top of this, it has a really good adhesion. And I'm trying this for the first time. It's from iMethod, number 114. It's a metallic gold and it's absolutely beautiful, and I'm definitely gonna see about some more of their products. So I'm just going to start out with this and carry on with my design. I felt like the gold parts of these nails, although very pretty it is to just have that gel polish, I decided I wanted to do a little bit more with it, and I made all of the gold parts matte, and then you'll see what I did with the rest of it. I know it doesn't look good at this point. The gold definitely doesn't look good with a matte over it, but I'm using, there are a lot of choices of brushes you could use. I'm using a top coat, no wipe top coat, and I'm going to use the smaller of the two brushes down here to create an extra little design on top of the mat. I love how it looks, but I still think it needs to stand out more. So my daughter actually suggested that I maybe put some lines um, along where I put the no wipe top coat to kind of bring those lines out a little more. So I went with it. I started out with this beautiful Senvensky translucent gel. It's a beautiful, beautiful red. I thought it was going to be a little bit darker, but it was really light, so I actually added some of this number 774 Beetles, and it's a deep, deep, like pinkish red, and it is on the translucent side, so I thought it would be perfect without making it too opaque for the stained glass look. If you look at the nail down below here, that is my attempt of just the plain Senvensky. As pretty as it is, you just couldn't even see it, so I didn't bother with that part of the video. I just left that out, and now I'm just going to continue on with the darker red, and you can see it a lot better, but there are layers, so bear with me. Now that you can see what I was actually doing, I've already got the bigger petals of the poinsettia, so now I'm going to go over that and make the smaller ones. I've already decided where I wanted them to go when I started drawing this out, so now I'm just going to do that, and then those are just going to be a little bit darker than the rest of it. Okay, I am now ready to add some green, and I know you can't see any definition in what I just put on here, and you're probably wondering why I didn't draw the black outline first. Um, uh, it When I did that, when I tried this before this video here, I tried a set to do the stained glass, and I drew the lines first, and then when I went to go put the color on, messed up all the real nice black lines, and it just, and then I had to go over the black lines again, then it made it too bulky, and it's already bulky with all the layers, so I just did it this way. It was just easier for me. Now it's time for me to add some details so you can actually see what I did, and it doesn't look like a, what does it look to me? It looks like a, I don't know, a tomato. But you'll start to see it come together real soon, I promise. Now it's time to just add some more details. I'm just going to put some veins in these petals and leaves to make it actually have a little more definition and make it look like an actual flower. The flower part is a bit lumpy and bumpy, so I'm just going to use the Mia Secret Clear Builder Gel. Put a nice thick layer of that on there and then buff it out and get ready for the gems. I'm going to use the Model 1's gem glue to adhere these gems. And I did end up cutting a lot of this, well, some of this out. My big head got in the way, so there's just a little bit of this one. All done. I think they turned out pretty good for my first try at points or stained glass, no matter what it is, poinsettia or whatever. The first set I did before this was my practice, and it didn't come out as good as I was hoping. This one actually, it came out better than I expected, being my first time. The stained glass was fun. Um, it, there's different techniques. If anybody knows an easier way to do stained glass, let me know. That would be helpful. I might try this again. I don't know yet. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, if you want to see more, please subscribe and hit the bell, and please leave me a comment.